and my house shall be called the house of prayer.
Zion. My name is Ihioma Umuhu from Orsu local government in Imo State. I've come this morning to thank the God of Zion. I've come to appreciate him for his work of protection over my life, my family. I've come also to adore the God of this great commission for his protection over the life of our first son. It was in November. He went to Olo, coming back from Olo, getting down to Ihioma. There were two guys on a bike in front of him. From nowhere, there comes this security man called Ebube Agu. They stopped the two guys on the bike. They made their way with them, but my brother was not touched. They allowed him to pass. And because brother will always say, present your family whenever you are praying. Bring them before the God of Zion. And indeed, God manifested himself in my family on that day. Then in January this year again, this same my brother, the boys working for him, they took his vehicle to the river to go watch night for washing. As they were there, these same security men called the Ebube Agu, they came there. When they met these two guys, they asked them to lie down on the ground and then said their last prayer. As they were there, according to them, they were confused on what to say. But these men, after looking at them, they asked them to stand up. Then they said they left. In fact, it just got swapped because I don't know what would have happened. Maybe they would have said, my brother have used them for ritual or that. I don't know, but God showed himself. Then last testimony was about my brother's wife. It was in February 1st. On Wednesday, we were here for a program. My dad was calling. So when I went out to answer the call, he said that I should just thank God that God did a great work for us this morning. That my brother was going to, that my brother's wife on his way to market, Ekotutu. Some person may know that market. So getting down to Okabia Secondary School, there was a bomb blast. But for God so kind, or for the goodness of God still over my family, the night she was not hurt. It only touched her hand and her feet. Even the baby at her back was not touched. So I want to appreciate this God for his protection. If not the God of Zion, I would have buried two people in my family the same day. But God said no, because of his love in my life. So I come to say thank you, God. Thank you, the God of Brachuka Nozebukobi. Thank you, the great prophet of God.
For the Lord your God.
Is that all you can do for this great God of